In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the width margin of the strip in your Wix website. Whether you're fine-tuning your design or trying to create just the right amount of space around your content, this walkthrough will help you adjust the margins of a section efficiently. Wix provides an intuitive editor with plenty of customization options, and learning how to adjust margins is a handy skill to enhance your website's layout and overall user experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you've opened the Wix website editor. Once you're logged in, double-check that you have the correct site loaded. If you manage multiple websites, it's always a good idea to confirm you're working on the right one to avoid making changes to the wrong project. Once you've confirmed that your site is ready to go, you can move on. Next, locate the specific section of your website that you want to adjust. This could be the header, a body strip, or any other section that's part of your page layout. Take a moment to scroll through your web page and find the exact area you want to work on. Whether it's a prominent banner at the top of your page or a smaller section further down, make sure you know the section you want to modify. Once you've found it, click on the section to highlight it. You'll notice that when you click on a section in Wix, it becomes outlined or marked, indicating that it's selected. This step is important because it ensures that the changes you make will apply specifically to that section and not to any other part of your page. After selecting the section, pay attention to the Options panel that appears on the screen. This panel is where you'll find all the tools necessary to adjust and customize your website's design. It's a dynamic menu that pops up when you interact with different parts of your site, so it's worth getting comfortable navigating it. Now, look for the Stretched option in the panel. Clicking on this will bring up additional settings that allow you to control how the section behaves and fits within the page layout. The stretch settings are key because they help you manage the full width and alignment of the section on your screen. From here, navigate to the Margins tab within the Stretch settings. This is where you'll find the tools to adjust the width margin for the section. Margins are essentially the space around the section, and they play a big role in how your content is spaced out on the page. To adjust the margin, use the sliding bar provided. You can move it to the left to decrease the margin, which reduces the space around the section, or slide it to the right to increase the margin, creating more breathing room around the content. As you make these adjustments, you'll see the changes reflected in real time on your page, which makes it easier to find the perfect balance that suits your design. Once you've adjusted the margins to your liking, it's a good idea to preview your changes. Use the preview mode in Wix to see how the new layout looks on your live site. This step is crucial because it allows you to catch any issues or make further tweaks before saving your work. Finally, don't forget to save your changes before exiting the editor. Wix doesn't automatically save your work, so clicking the Save button ensures that all the adjustments you've made are securely stored. Once saved, you can exit the editor or continue making other edits to your site. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the width margin of a section in your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.